What's up everybody, it's Peter and welcome to our channel. And today I'm gonna give it a free advice for future motion about new OneWheel GTS series Rally XL. For short, I'm gonna call XL. You guys did release it XL 2 weeks ago, and it doesn't look like it's going very well. And you probably is gonna ask me, well, how you know how it's going if you not even work for us, right? Yes, you're right, I don't work for you guys, but I can tell how well it's doing by YouTube video. And compared to previous releases, for example, like on GT, when you guys released GT, soon as website was able to take orders, hundreds and hundreds people was clicking, including myself as well. Some buyers even get overnight shipping to make sure next day they can ride it. They're gonna make a video opening, unpackaging, first test, first impression, all kind of videos was there. In a day or two there was dozens and dozens. With XL, 2 weeks pass, and on the YouTube right now there's only one video from actual customer, not from you guys but from actual customer. That's saying a lot how well XL is going. The way I see it, the biggest flaw with XL you guys did that introduced that platform, the new wheel, with only big tire. In the West community we call BTG. Big tire or BTG, personally I love it, and I think it's the best way to ride, and there's no way I'm going back. But BTG is not for everybody. The thing is, BTG was available already in the West community for the last 3 years. If it was so good and it was for everyone, then by now all riders will be on the BTG. Instead, BTG, there's only 3 to 5% max probably. Pretty much by making a board with big tire, you placing your money from start on a dead horse. If I was you, I will introduce it standard size tire, standard rails, and that wheel will sell much better than XL, because first of all, like I said already, it's better wheel than GTS series. Is because according to you guys has a better cells, better torque, and with standard size tire the wheel will be quicker respond, more snappy, more torquey all around. Everything will be better compared to a GTS. And also introduce it BTG upgrade package, which will be included rails and tire as an optional. Also will be nice if you guys did unleashed option re-leveling in the app. That will be awesome. You guys gonna make thousands and thousands customer happy who want to try different rails and just re-level it by themselves. Well, anyway, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it was interesting, and I hope you guys kind of learned something from this video. I know you do from my previous videos. Well, thanks.